In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a poll in Outlook. Whether you're gathering feedback for an event or simply trying to make collective decisions in a team, polls can be a very handy tool. Let's walk through the process together. First things first, let's begin by navigating to the Outlook website and signing into your Microsoft 365 account. Open your web browser and head to the Microsoft Outlook login page. If you're already signed in, you should see your inbox directly. If not, click on the sign in button and use your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, ensure you're in the mail section. You can do this by clicking on mail in the main navigation at the top of the page. This will bring you directly to your inbox where you can manage your emails. Now take a look at the top left corner. You'll see an option labeled home. Clicking on this will reveal a drop down menu. From here, click on new mail to start composing a new email, which is where you'll set up your poll. With the new mail window open, look for the apps option. You'll find this option in the same toolbar where you find functions to change your mail's font or add attachments. Click on apps, which will lead you to further options to enhance your email. Among these options, click on get add-ins. This will open a new window displaying various add-ins that can enhance your Outlook experience. What we're looking for is a specific add-in to help create a poll. In the search bar provided, type in poll. You should see a few different options related to polls. The one you are interested in will likely be one of the top results. Once you've located it, press the add button next to it. This action will incorporate the poll add-in into your Outlook settings, allowing you to fully utilize its features in your email communications. After successfully adding the poll add-in, you'll see a prompt asking you to confirm your choice. Click on continue to finalize the addition and close the window. And there you have it, folks. You've now integrated a poll function into your Outlook email. The next time you draft an email and want to include a poll, just click on the poll add-in to create a new question and add options. It's a straightforward process that enhances how you collect input from your recipients efficiently. Remember, the key here is simplicity and efficiency, making sure everyone involved enjoys a seamless experience in communication. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more easy to follow guides. Thanks for watching and happy polling.